morning, everyone. Welcome to the #1 channel for conscious vegan. My name's T. So if this is your first time here, welcome. So today's video is what I eat today. Tina in the kitchen right now cooking some spelt waffles. So continue watching this video to see, how my spelt waffles turn out. So here we had the finished results. We got some strawberries, we got some baby bananas, and we got the best part, spelt waffles. So mostly everything today, or everything on our channel, is conscious. We try to be conscious with the ingredients we use and the foods that we show. And you only live once. So, since you only live once, it's better to live like, I guess, your best life. And eat healthier. Eat to live, don't live to eat. That's what I always say. So, about to tear these spelt waffles up. And for those who don't know what spelt is just is an alkaline flour. And it's a better and easier grain to digest. So, and that's why I eat it, Most foods that we eat are alkaline, so we're almost alkaline. We're like 75% alkaline, 80%. Everything on this plate today is alkaline. Everything from the strawberries to the baby bananas to the spelt waffle. So, let me try these waffles out real quick, see what Tina did. I know you hear Taylor in the background. See my waffle. Spelt is the way. Have you ever tried spelt flour yet? Spelt waffles? Please do. If you do, if you don't use spelt flour, comment down below what type of flour you use to make your waffles. Please, I hope you're not using no Aunt Your Mamas or no like I said, because you got to be conscious what you eat. Because even though we're eating for today, we're really eating for our future. Because what we consume now is going to affect our bodies in the long run. So that's why it's better to eat now. So we get older, you don't have to worry about having, all the type of problems, chronic problems. Because we all know 72% of the people in the world die from diet-related diseases. So that's 72%. That just leaves another 18% of people, basically 28% of people that died from other causes. That's worldwide. If you don't believe me, look at the numbers. What y'all like to eat with y'all waffles? Comment down below. Like right now, got some fruit. Like I said, bananas. I ain't had no mangoes. Y'all know my favorite fruit, mangoes. Didn't have no mangoes. I gotta go shopping. What's today? So I'm probably go shopping tomorrow. Put some mangoes. These joints good though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna. And the syrup I'm using agave. We don't use regular syrup either. You gotta be conscious about what you use. So it's either agave or date syrup. Continue watching to see what I'm having for lunch. Alright guys, so now I'm back with lunch. Tina, I told y'all earlier I might have a salad. So Tina made me an alkaline salad. She didn't purposely do it. She just put everything together, and then she was like, yo, this alkaline, right? So right here we have butter lettuce. We got some cucumbers. Right here, we got some tomatoes. And we got some fried oyster mushrooms. So when she fried these oyster mushrooms, she used spelt flour. So everything here alkaline. Alkaline solid. Didn't even do it on purpose. Let's show you how easy it is. One of the best parts of the salad was tahini dressing. So she used tahini and she made her own home dressing. You can see it. So made an alkaline salad. Like I said, it wasn't even purpose. Let me get into this, dig into it. Be back with a snack. Probably had some pecans. I'm a pecan person. Tina really like them, so I might have some pecans before dinner. But I'll be back and let y'all know. Alright guys, so now I'm back with dinner. So we got some mashed potatoes, we got some string beans, and we got some Tina's chicken breast. So I usually have like black pepper. I keep saying black eye. I usually have black pepper on my mashed potatoes, but Tina forgot to put it on there. She was saying that, oh, I never heard of anybody putting black pepper on their mashed potatoes. But I did. Comment down below if you put black pepper in your mashed potatoes, because I want her to see that other people do it besides me. Comment down below. I can't be the only one. I can't. So I'm gonna get to the dinner right here. I should have. I'm more likely I'm gonna have a snack tonight. I usually game at night, so I'm gonna have a snack while I be gaming. So continue watching and see what I have for a snack. I'll be back with a snack. Alright guys, so now I'm back with a snack. This is gonna be the last that I eat tonight. I had baked some cookies and I got some ice cream. So let you guys see. I got ice cream and cookies. Cookies and ice cream. So, you know, eating this cookies and ice cream, like I said, it's gonna be the last I eat tonight. I'm on streaming right now on Twitch, the Vega Gamer 420. I got like every game on PS4. So I'm starting to try to create a gaming channel. Haven't dedicated that much time to it, but might now. More focus on this channel right here, you know, you guys, and, you know, educating y'all on eating and living consciously. You know, that's my goal, to make a change with that. You know, I'm just using gaming for, like, you know, mental health. I always used to like gaming just to get away from reality sometimes, or just reading books. You know, that's my two things I always went to whenever I was going through something, or when I just needed a mental break. So I brought back gaming, you know, after my pop passed away. I got me a PS4 for the first time, December. and I just started gaming, and like just even if it's like an hour a day or an hour every other day, you know, just play a little game and just to get my mind off of just things that's going on. And I just wanted to make a channel out of that because research says that gaming does help with mental health, and I want to promote that more. You know, because I always speak on like the physical and external, internal, as far as eating consciously and living consciously, but I don't really touch too much on the mental part. And I'm learning about it, like habit loops, and then gaming is a way to, you know, help with mental health. So if that's I'm gonna learn more about that. If that's true, I'm definitely promoting that on my Twitch channel. You know, because a lot of people got problems, and you know, gaming can help people get away from the problems. And you never know, that might be a thing for you. Whenever you're stressed, put on that Call of Duty. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this ice cream before it melts. I don't like melted ice cream. And I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Appreciate all the love and support y'all guys been giving us. Thanks y'all for watching this video in its entirety. Give this video a thumbs up. You know, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Follow us on our Instagram at PeaceLoveVegan420. And you know, like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.